It's been around a week since Season 13 of Overwatch 2 has been out, and I must say, it's not looking too bad. However, me and my duo ran into an issue that Blizzard has not really done anything about yet since it came out. For full context, you guys just gotta watch the video to see what I'm talking about. But if you didn't know, my name is Emerald, and it would be a great help if you like, comment, and subscribe on my goal to 100 subscribers. Alright, I'm done yapping. Now let's get into the video. Ah! Oh! I killed Ryan. I got him with boot.
And you killed Mercy.
I did? Oh shit. I don't know how that hit me. Mercy's low again. Hanzo's trying to flank, bro. What the hell? I was late. Fuck. Us three again. Juno's top. Oh! Oh my god.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Man, what the fuck, man?
Fuck, I didn't kill Reaper? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Arissa. Yo, I know Reaper ain't just do that. Yo. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm alive right now. Bro. If I kill you, you're yo, he's ass. He's ass. He's ass. Bro. Oh my god. Oh! Yo, nigga, we won one fight.
Kobe!
Ooh, smells like pee-pee and poo-poo in here.
Bro, they suck. After playing many games, me and Tootie realized that it was just a constant cycle of barely winning and just straight up losing. But what happens next is the reason why I say Overwatch still has a massive problem when it comes to comp.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I found this rock outside and it's kind of square looking.
Is this nigga serious?
Fuck you. Oh, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
Oh shit. Alright, pause. We out here looking like the Warriors because we blew a 3-1 lead because bro has terrible Wi-Fi. My rank gotta go down because my whole ass teammate left? Yeah, right. Let me spin back to the beginning. I'm trying to kill everybody. That's not working. I'm trying. Venture on me. Oh shit.
Venture on me, actually. I'm low.
Tank low too. Ah, I can't heal him.
Dead. Never mind.
Yo, Ana is frying me. Wow. Holy. Oh my god. Why did he flank? Reaper touched?
Oh, there's no way. Oh, thank you. Good shit, bro. I'm a Moira main.
You gotta go up and down, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, that's good.
Bro went bashing.
Right here,
He's still weak.
Wow. Hold it again to the... Nice. Right here. No, she's with. Anna fucking did more. Fucking.
A lot going on, bro. That ain't kill him. No.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna just get more.
You captured one. I had to reload. Nice ult, nice ult. Genji?
Yo, what the fuck is going on? That was weird. That shit was.
My eyes burn.
Fuck.
Or that shit hooked up.
I blinked once.
Nah, I didn't either. My eyes is burning. Like literally, my eyes are burning.
After this, and she's so too. She's about to die. Dumbass. I can't get up there. She 3-dinged me. Wow.
I'm dead.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Why in the world did I?
Oh. Yep. That makes sense. You can't make this up, bro. You and we got a Sombra for a DPS. I don't know, game. I gotta pop it, bro. I have to. Gosh. Nice. Stay in the orbit. Oh, he's dead. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting pushed. Like why? This is actually insane, bro. Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Reverse sweep is crazy, bro.
No, because one of my teammates left. Ain't that some shit, yeah.
They gotta do something about that, bro. I killed one. Oh. It's just another video, bro. If you're still here at this point of the video, that means you reached the end of the video. And if you aren't subscribed and you're still here, that means I entertained you long enough. And that means you should subscribe because I'm gonna keep entertaining y'all just like I am right now. And that's all I gotta say. And just like that, we out this thing. Peace.